Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno15 FS and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, 3 bars icon and contacts. Then find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. I'll pick this one and tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon. Let me quickly remove the photo, so here 3 bars icon and remove picture, and this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So all you have to do now is to tap on this plus icon, and as you can see we've got those pictures divided. This is the profile picture and here we've got the calling card, and I will focus on the picture. However, I highly recommend to set the calling card also, so you can set a beautiful photo as a background of the calling screen. Alright, so let's tap on this profile picture here, and here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So our own gallery, we can set our own photo, of course. We can tap on the camera and our device will immediately open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you wish to catch a photo of him or her. Google Photos, where we've got our backup photo, so I will just omit that. Monogram, so we can use 1 or 2 letters, it's up to you. Just tap on it and enter the letters that you wish. You can change the background color also if you want to, and the font. Moreover, here you've got the emoji option, so instead of letters you can use emoji. Just tap on it and here you can choose from the full list of emojis which you probably know. Let me choose this one, for example. Again, you can set different background color. And you've got this option monochrome. So now we've got emoji itself, but after tapping on this switcher, we can make it look more icon-like. So it's up to you whether you like it or not. And illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not have the photo, you don't feel like using monogram, then you can try to find something here. We've got a really nice options. Alright, so let me pick maybe this frog. Let's tap on the option, and as you can see here we've got the presets also, so we can change the color. Moreover, we can zoom in and out the photo. This is the same section for the illustration, also the photo taken by the camera, with the camera, and the illustrations here. So basically you can zoom it in or out, you can change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose right here. Tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.